In this video, we are going to talk about side sitting on a wiggle cushion or a wobble cushion, a way to help you help your baby get a strong core and to transition into independent sitting or progressing to crawling. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Baker, a pediatric physical therapist, and on this channel we help proactive parents help their babies move better. Think of me as your pediatric physical therapy bestie, here to help you learn how to help your baby move with confidence and ease. In today's video, we are talking about side sitting, and specifically side sitting on a wiggle cushion or a wobble cushion, whatever you want to call it. This is a way to up-level side sitting on the floor because it makes it a little bit more difficult on the child. It requires a little bit more strength and more planes of motion for their core, so they have to stabilize their trunk a little bit harder while they reach because the surface that they're sitting on is unstable. A wiggle or wobble cushion is pumped full of air and it requires the baby to co-contract muscles. So as they reach to the right, they have to contract the left and they have to shift and maintain their body in a position against gravity. Obviously, this is an exercise that you're going to do with your child, so obviously it's going to be supervised, but it is a great exercise for kiddos to kind of up-level the challenge while they're learning how to sit, so that when you then go to a stable surface on the floor, side sitting on the floor is much easier. Side sitting is a great exercise or a position to utilize when a baby is about 7 months or older. I do want a baby to have the ability to prop sit, so I want them to be able to put their hands on the ground before you transition into side sitting. So if you are not yet at that level with your kiddo, make sure that you check out Learning to Sit playlist to kind of go focus there first, and then move on to some of these more challenging sitting activities like side sitting on the floor, side sitting on the wobble cushion, which we are going to get into right now. And if you have a kiddo that is 7 months older, you can also use the Dyna disc for side sitting. Oh, hi. Whoa, 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 whoa. What do you think? So this is her easy side to side sit with the right leg forward and the left leg back. My arm is underneath her armpit with a hand on her front leg, and then my hand is with a wide finger support back here at the hip and over the leg. Hi. Swing you around here. Hi. So you can see, boop, boop, boop. Yeah, and then you go side to side in this position. Do, do, do. Whoa. Good job. Good work. What do you think? What do you think? Go back and forward, back and forward. You go side to side, side to side. Can we go circles? Whoa. Circles. Whoa. Good work. Okay, let's switch. Boop. Okay, we're going to do lefty first. Oh, no, thank you. Thank you. Boop, boop. Yeah, that one's harder, huh? You can give good bounces if a kiddo is struggling. Yeah, this side's a little tighter, so it's totally normal. Hey, good work. And that might just be a tougher position for her, so if that one doesn't work on here, that's okay. It's just a little too advanced. Go back to the floor, and then that's okay right here. But she does try to extend this out and push against. So I want to see, we're going to kind of keep working on this position. Yeah. Should we get, what about this guy? There we go. Yeah, good job.
Good job. Yeah, that's hard, huh? Thanks for telling me.
And that's a wrap, friends. I'm so glad that you joined me to learn this fun little trick and using a wobble or wiggle cushion in order to further encourage your babies to have a strong core and really progress well towards these next milestones, such as sitting independently and crawling. Now, if you are curious and have more questions, make sure you check the pinned comment, because that's where you will find a link to schedule one-on-one with me where we can get all of those questions answered. If you are looking for more core strengthening exercises for your baby, make sure you check out this playlist that is going to have tons of core strengthening videos so that you can learn all of the exercises that I utilize in kiddos that I work with, as well as exercises that I send to family and friends if they send me a question and ask what they can do easily and with little equipment to work with their littles.